Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Deliveroo vehicle type from bicycle to scooter in 2026. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. What you need to do first, you need to simply open your Deliveroo rider application on your phone. Now, when you are over here, simply tap on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, over here, when you log in into your account, you are going to see the vehicle that you are currently using. So you just have to tap on that vehicle that you are currently using and you will be shown the change vehicle type option right next to it. So when you see that option, you just have to simply select that option and then you will be redirected inside your web browser on this particular page. Now over here, you just have to simply just keep on following further on screen instructions. You just have to keep on answering all of these questions. Like first of all, select the vehicle type. Afterwards, you just have to enter your first name and your last name, and then you just have to tap OK. Then simply enter your email address and hit OK. On the next page, you just have to simply provide some of the informations about you, and then you will be shown the option of changing your vehicle type from bicycle to scooter. So you need to select that and you are good to go. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.